Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about the study guide. The study guide is up and it's on Canvas. The test is going to be just like it was last time. Okay, your multiple choice section is on Canvas. It'll be multiple choice, true, false, and it'll be timed. And once you start it, you have to finish it. So make sure that when you start it, you're somewhere that has good Wi-Fi. You have a good computer because it has to be finished the first time you launch it. I'll also put up the other two parts, okay, just like we did last time. There'll be a section of identifies, okay, I'll put about 10, I'll pick from this list, 10 random terms, put them on the exam and ask you to pick 6 from that list. And you'll write a short paragraph or two completely identifying and giving the significance of the following items. When we say this, okay, it means that you have to talk about what the item is and why it's important. So I thought I would pick one of these and just sort of talk you through it. Okay. So let's just pick Shays Rebellion, for example. Okay. If you chose to answer that one, remember, you got to tell me what it is, why it's important. Okay. So you will need to tell me that Shays Rebellion began in Massachusetts. In Western Massachusetts, farmers were unhappy that Massachusetts was taxing them to pay off their Revolutionary War debt. They were losing their farms. They were losing their ability to vote because they were losing their land. And so Daniel Shays, a Revolutionary War veteran, led a rebellion against Massachusetts. His rebellion fails because Shays dies. But Shays' rebellion is important because it showed how weak the nation's response was to this rebellion because of the Articles of Confederation. So it's more than just a one sentence deal. You have to be thorough. You have to be complete. Okay. You can draw on what we've talked about in class. You can draw on other things, but these had better not be plagiarized. They better not be copied from the internet, and they better not be copied from your textbook. I know what those things say. You need to make these your own. Okay, and I will check them for plagiarism. If you plagiarize one of them, if you copy from one of them, they're going to get a 0. The same is true on the essays. These will get run through Turnitin. And so if you copy and try to copy any of this material, you're going to get flagged and you will end up getting a 0. I'll pick 3 from this, or I'm actually going to put all 6 of them up there, and you're going to pick 3 to write about. Okay, you can all put them on the same document. Okay, you don't have to upload 3 different documents. You have to answer 3 essays though, but you can type them all in the same document. Okay, so you can type number 1 and answer number 1. Then you can type number 4 and then answer number 4. And then you can type number 6 and then answer number 6. Okay. So whichever 3 that you choose to do, you have to write. Okay. They have to be in essay form. You don't have to have an introduction and really a conclusion, but you have to write in sentence structure. You have to use sentence structure. You can't just make a list. Okay. You got to use proper grammar. Okay, and you need to answer these to the best of your ability and don't plagiarize. So just like the last time, okay, so the study guide is up there over the weekend. I would consider trying to outline some of these, okay, and because you don't exactly know which ones you're going to get here, but you do these. Pick the 3, or that you pick the 3 of these 6 that you think are the strongest and start outlining them so that you can get ready to answer them when these appear on Canvas. Okay.